Hey everyone, quick question for you. What do all these pictures on screen have in common? I'll give you a second. Put down in the comments. That's right. They're of people. And today that's what I'm going to show you how to draw. I'm going to show you how to draw people. For step 1, we're going to Pinterest. Now, why we're hiding the Pinterest, you're probably wondering? Well, that's because we're looking for references. That's right, references. Now you're probably thinking, why would I need a reference? If you're watching this video, you're probably looking for a refresher or have never drawn the human body before. You're gonna need references, and you're gonna choose one quickly, because if you don't choose one quickly, then you're gonna be stuck in the doom scroll. We don't want to be stuck in the doom scroll. So I quickly chose one, and now let's get going. Let's start drawing. You're going to try your best to follow the reference, so you don't completely have to. I'm not gonna completely draw the reference, but if you want to, that's fine, although it might be a little difficult for first timer. And you're just gonna start chicken scratching your way into what resembles a drawing. You don't have to rush for this. This is a slow process, and you're going to make sure that you don't smudge anything or mess anything up. If you do, you can just erase it. It'll be fine. So just do your best. And we move on to step 2. Shapes. Now you're going to simplify the human body into shapes. Like the head's a circle, joints are circles, hands can be ovals, arms and legs can be ovals. The chest is a triangle, the hips are a triangle, the waist is a rectangle if it's a guy. If it's a girl, then you don't have to do the waist. I just do sometimes. And you're going to want to do that the base of your drawing. Trust me, this is a very good way to get into the groove of understanding how the human body works. Now, we're gonna have to remember that guys and girls are not the same. So, whilst guys have some things, girls have other things. So, you're gonna make sure that you make that a visual distinction, and that's very easy. For girls, I'm not gonna say it, don't want to get demonetized, are circles. Guys don't have them, so that's not a worry for you. Now, we move on to step 3. Outlining. Outlining and line art are two different things, two different beasts. But for outlining, the basis is you're going to make it what resembles a human being, not a pile of shapes. So you're going to want to define some things, remove some things, things like that. And now outlining is pretty easy. You're just going to trace the outside of the shapes and then just get it all together. And then you're going to erase the inside shapes. That's what I do. And it's just a very simple thing, I feel like. If it's not simple for you, then I'm sorry. But yeah, and outline's the main stage wherever you're going to make sure some details are there while others aren't. And yeah, that's basically everything you gotta do to know how to draw the human body. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe, drop a like, and a comment if you recognized any of the characters that I have drawn in the beginning of the video. And the next video I'm going to make is going to be how to draw eyes and the face and hair. So please stay tuned for that, and see ya! Bye!